Right, so for our final project, we were asked to come up with a creative example of explaining the heat death of the universe to someone who does not understand astronomy or just does not understand what the heat death of the universe is in general. Now, after watching this video, you can proceed to the collage images below to see my exact explanation for how the collage images describe the heat death of the universe. Now, to understand what the heat death of the universe is in general in relation to the collage images, in the collage images below, you will be from the point of view of someone in an airplane flying above the Earth at nighttime. And as seen in the first collage image, you are flying above a city that has plenty of lights down there. Now, this is in comparison to the program Stellarium with all these stars and galaxies right here. And as the time goes on, the universe will begin to expand, as you will see in the collage images below, as they begin to be less and less lights as they are being further and further away from each other. Now, over time, as stars and galaxies begin to burn through their fuel, or stars in other galaxies will begin to burn through their fuel, you will ultimately see them start to go out. And the only lights that you will be in the galaxy that you will be able to see from a long distance away is the light of very distant stars and galaxies, as the universe has expanded so much by that point. But ultimately, in comparison to the collage images below, once the universe reaches a certain age, all the stars and galaxies would have all the stars in different galaxies and stars nearby, from our point of view, in the airplane would have ultimately gone through their field so much that all the light in the universe has ultimately died, because the stars have burned through their field that they can no longer provide nuclear fusion, which is what creates light. And as in the collage images below, you will see that in the last one, there's next to no light. I would have preferred to find one that has no light in it, but that would have been kind of pointless. So just treat that last collage image as if you're passing over an area that is completely black, like in a third world developed country where there is no power or anything around there. But yeah. Now, that is pretty much my example in me giving a brief description in this video. Please proceed to the collage images below for a better understanding of how each image describes the heat death of the universe from the point of view of someone in an aircraft.